This is a Ninja Bullet blender. Now I'm going to twist it and lock it. Did you hear that click? That means it's locked. Now it's ready to be blended. Now I am going to turn it on. I'm going to press start. Now I'm going to take the lid off. And then I'm going to pour it right in here. All I need is the juice. Trying to squeeze all the juice. What I'm doing is squeezing all the juice from the carrot. And this is what the carrot with lime juice looks like. And this is to clean your body from the inside, weight loss. Try this for 14 days. On the 3rd day, you're gonna see results and you will feel better. Drink this during the night before you go to sleep. An hour before you go to sleep. And this will work during the night. This is a healthy juice. Cheers. Salud. Let's drink it. Tastes really good. And the rest of the juice, I'm gonna keep refrigerated because I like it cold. You can try this at home if you want. It's very healthy. It makes your body feel good. And it's real healthy because carrots are healthy. If you wanna try this at home and see how it works with you. This is the rest. I'm gonna keep it refrigerated for it to get cold. I like the juice cold better. It tastes better, but you might not like it cold. It's really up to you. If you like this video and saw value, make sure to like the video. Also, make sure to subscribe. Make sure you share the video with family, friends, and other people you know. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and get those likes up. Thank you for your support. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment box below and I'll do my best to answer you back. And I also have my merchandise available. You will see the links right in the description box below about Genius C Productions and also about other products that I have at my stores through printify.com. There's one Genius C Productions, Zealand, and Majestic Ingenious Art. Thank you so much for your support. If you want more videos like this, please let me know in the comment box below. The more likes I get, the more videos like this I will make for you. And just remember, health is 100% important. Your health, it's 100% important. Without health, we are nothing. So let's take care of our health. Let's stay fit and healthy. Blessings to all you guys. This is Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions. See you in the next video. Stay positive.